Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. In this video, we're going to recycle this old sweater and we're going to make warm, cozy socks at home. So let's get started. As you can see, we're going to cut the sleeves of the sweater. You can also use this sweater later as half or the quarter sweater. Now we're going to cut the sleeves from the top. You can measure it. You can draw like we're doing here in this video with the help of chalk and then cut the extra part of the sweater fabric. Now with the help of thread and needle, we're going to stitch it from the top portion. Look how we're doing here in this video. This is the simple stitching. All you have to do is put the needle inside and then stitch it like we're doing here in this video. After this, we're going to tie a knot. Make sure to tie the knot because it will come out later. Now we're going to cut the thread. And look, your warm socks are ready. Flip it over, wear it, and it's done. We all have so many denim jeans at home. Some are wide, some are narrow. In this video, we're going to give you a small idea how you can recycle your wide jeans and give it a new life. As you can see, we're going to fold the denim jeans from bottom, mark 3 lines, make the center of the denim jeans. With the help of thread and needle, now we're going to make the design. As you can see, we're going to make the V pattern. Hold the jeans from the bottom. Look carefully how we are doing here in this video. Make sure you make the V design at the center as well. That is why we are marking it earlier. Now after this, we're going to hold the thread from one side and then we're going to pull it tightly. Look how we are doing here in this video. Cut the thread and look how pretty this design is looking. In this video, we are going to recycle the old sweatshirt at home. We're going to change the look of the neck design. As you can see, we're going to hold the neck design and then we're going to mark the center portion. After this, make a small cut and then we're going to fold the fabric. Tuck it inside. You can see the V shape here. And then we're going to stitch all of them together with the help of this thread and needle. As you can see, we're going to take this red color of thread. In place of this, you can also make beautiful embroidery designs. The options are so many. You can use beautiful pearls or rhinestones as well to decorate it further. We are not doing here in this video. These are some ideas you can also add on. Now we're going to stitch it from one side and then tie a knot. After this, we're going to cut the thread. Repeat the same process from other side as well. Now we're going to stitch both of them together and look, it is ready. Let's recycle this high neck sweater without actually cutting it. In this video, you will learn how you can upcycle your old sweaters at home. Fold the neck design from the top, pull it down, and then we're going to mark the center portion. After this, we're going to fold a little bit, make small pleats. With the help of thread and needle, we are going to put the needle inside. Here, we're going to make multiple knots one after another using both the fingers. Now we're going to put this white color of pearl as well. Now we're going to repeat the same process of tying knot from both the sides. Pull the thread down and then we're going to remove the needle. After this, we're going to simply tie a knot at the back side of the neck design and cut the thread out. Thank you so much for watching this video.